Voting and decision-making. Characters: voter, candidate, election official, moderator, citizens. Scenario: set up a mock election where students take on different roles. The voter researches candidates and casts their vote. The candidate campaigns. The election official ensures a fair process. The moderator conducts a debate, and the citizens observe and participate in the election process. Objective: teach the importance of informed voting, the democratic process, and civic engagement in decision-making. Community problem-solving. Characters: community members, local government representatives, nonprofit organization, business owner. Scenario: select a community problem like a neglected park or lack of recycling facilities. Assign roles to students representing different stakeholders. Have them discuss and negotiate possible solutions, considering perspectives and finding common ground. Objective: teach collaboration, negotiation, and problem-solving skills, while emphasizing the role of citizens in addressing community issues. Rights and responsibilities. Characters: student, teacher, principal, parent, police officer. Scenario: create a situation where a student's right to freedom of expression conflicts with their responsibility to respect others' rights. The characters engage in a dialogue to understand the balance between individual rights and responsibilities within a school or community setting. Objective: teach students about their rights as citizens and the importance of respecting the rights of others. Cultural diversity and inclusion. Characters: student from a different culture, peers, teacher, school, principal. Scenario: focus on promoting cultural understanding and inclusivity. The role play can involve a student from a different cultural background sharing their experiences and traditions, and the other characters asking questions and expressing curiosity while showing respect and acceptance. Objective: teach respect for diversity, empathy, and the value of cultural exchange in fostering a harmonious community. Community emergency response. Characters: emergency responders, firefighter, police officer, paramedic. Community members, media representative. Scenario: simulate an emergency situation such as a fire or natural disaster, and assign roles to students representing emergency responders, community members, and the media. Have them act out the response, including evacuation, providing first aid, and disseminating information to the public. Objective: teach the importance of community preparedness, cooperation during emergencies, and the role of citizens and authorities in ensuring public safety. Remember to provide guidance and debrief after each role play to facilitate reflection and discussion about the concepts and skills